Alright guys, well the Chevy is going back to the dealership for the first time. So we got 2,329 miles on this beast, and it's time to go in for its first service. And so it says 69% on the oil life, but I like to go ahead and get the first one taken care of relatively quickly. You don't want to do it too soon because you do want to get that first initial break-in done, but then you want to get all that crap out of there. All right, so this is for the people that always ask me, do certain things void your warranty? And while I do not believe this should void my warranty in any way possible at all, the simple answer is keep your stock parts and just swap them out. Now our factory one is back in there. There won't be any questions or concerns. Let's go ahead and see what we got in here after about 1,000 miles of driving. Oh, we got a little bit of go in there. Let's see what we got. So yeah, this is what you're preventing from getting cycled back into your intake right at 1,000 miles. So as you see, those things definitely work, but essentially it's just a lot easier just to remove the part for the day while your truck's gonna be in there, and then they're not gonna have anything to question. We got an appointment at 10:30, so we got 9 minutes to get there. Let's jump to it. Edward Chevrolet. Did not buy my truck here, but hopefully they will take care of me. They got a lot of lifted trucks out here. We're gonna check out, see what we like about them. All right, got the old Trail Boss. Let's go get the oil change. Got a lifted up Rocky Ridge 6.2 here. Thing is huge. 35, 12, 50, 22, like 12 miles. My truck would be freaking humongous. I want an 84 for this. And look at these fenders. Front end's pretty cool looking. Light bar, Rocky Ridge. I actually kind of like this part right here. Pretty clean. So here is something I wanted to look at, not necessarily the Suburban, but the Tahoe next to it, because the Tahoes have actually really grown on me. I might cry a little bit if the Silverados get these new headlights in 2022. It might make me a little sad because they look freaking sick. So this is a high country. I bet it's like 80. 79, 6.2, 10 speed, 63, 5.3, 10 speed. Whew. Got a bunch of Silverados here. Got the Duramax over there. A lot of different colors. We're gonna go ahead and check out these other Rocky Ridges. It looks like we got old Diesel over here. Let's check out this 2500. These front ends are a little wonky. You can definitely make them look good, but it takes a little bit of doing. Definitely like the hood scoop. I don't know, can you swap these hoods? Will this hood fit on my truck? That'd be kind of cool. 64 plus Chevy Man package, $12.95. I don't know, it doesn't even say what that includes. Not the baby squat 2.0 LTZ. Oh, you got everybody's trading them in, dude. Everybody. Maybe one day they come down, find me one that's not stupid high miles, under 20K. Might have to scoop one up. All right, so hopefully y'all can hear me. The traffic's loud out here. We got a car wreck over there, which is good. People will look at that instead of me. Got a RST. I think they're all RSTs. All right, so it's just price point, $84,000. So out of the three colors, I was looking at white, red, or gray, and this gray does definitely treat me right. It's got a ton of metallic. It looks freaking sick. Definitely like these. Was it like 22 by 12s? Maybe 14s? Nah, it's probably 22 by 12s. RST's been out here mud bogging. Bad day not to wear my boots. The grays definitely treat me right though. But then we got this white one over here with the wrapped top. I kind of like it, I kind of hate it. I don't really know, can't really decide. It definitely needs offset. $81,000 and some bonus mud to go with it. These little flares are bizarre. I'm guessing you got to cut the fender. Another gray and another white. I do definitely like this center grill piece. It's pretty sweet. What do y'all think? Should we lift the Trail Boss? Get it something like, I mean, these trucks are big. Like I'm telling y'all, like, all right, so y'all know I'm not the tallest guy. I'm like 5'8", 5'9". This truck is tall. You know, the Trail Boss is actually pretty tall itself with only a 2-inch stock lift. These things are big. They've had these things out here for quite a while too. I don't know if they got some kind of discounts, but you're talking like 30 grand difference between my truck Oh Lord, oh Lord, look, oh my gosh. He just is on that thing's bumper. Holy crap, he was almost touching that car laying on the horn. That was intense. But you're talking like a $30,000 difference between my basically fully loaded Trail Boss 2162 and this thing, which is kind of crazy. It's a 6.2 10-speed, $85,000. Let's see what we get. 6-inch Rocky Ridge suspension, 22s, 35s, Rocky Ridge caliber covers, Hypertech system calibration, smooth fender flares, power running boards, painted fender vents, Gibson performance exhaust, custom leather, Rocky Ridge logo, headrest, custom gauge face, center storage safe, 20-inch light bar, Rocky Ridge puddle lights, custom grille, hood accents, windshield banner, exterior badging, and 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty. That's pretty nice, getting a full warranty with it lifted up like this. I could do a whole lot of like really nice lift, really nice wheels and tires. Probably a supercharger. So they just called me and I didn't answer it, and they left them a voicemail saying they had a couple questions for me. What? Let's go back up to the dealership and check it out. All right, just like that, we are all done. Nice, swift process. A little bit funny story with the wheels, I'll tell you all in a second, but free, which I was like curious if they were gonna do it for free. You know, being a new truck and all, you'd think, but you never know. So thankfully they did. But let me get out of here and we'll catch up. All right, to catch up, y'all, with why they called me. So I was out here checking out the trucks. They called me. I didn't feel my phone ringing, so they left me a voicemail. I ended up walking in there and talking to them. That's when y'all probably saw the truck up on the lift. They were questioning, did I actually want to get my oil changed because it's only got 2,300 miles on the truck. And I was like, yeah, I do. So they went ahead and decided to do it. But while I was in there, I went to the window, I could see my truck. It was on the front bay. And I noticed that the guy was taking my lug nuts off. For one, I don't need the tires rotated this quickly, but two, I didn't ask for them to get rotated. He ran out there and stopped them. The guy looked like he was a little bit frustrated because it turns out he had actually taken all the lug nuts off the tires already. I feel strongly there's not going to be any dings or dents or anything, but you never know, especially since they were impacting the wheels. I'm going to make sure the wheels didn't get beat up. And we're going to go under the truck, double check our filter, check our oil levels, everything like that, because you could just never be too sure. You want to be 100% positive everything's tight and full, because they're doing a lot of vehicles, they're running them in and out. You just want to double check. So I'm in the Zexby line. I'm guessing this is an employee. Shout out to you if you see this video by chance, but I don't even know what this is. It's a Chevy, it says RS on it, I think. Dude, that, a lot of aftermarket. Obviously the hood, the splitter. I don't know what the rest of the car looks like, but that front end looks freaking aggressive. That thing is tough looking. Ready to get my truck looking right. Oh, little AT4. Wait, that's not even AT4, it's just SLT. Shout out to you if this is your truck. That thing looking right. We also got this little F1 creeping up on us. We've had to let it rip, boy, up the mountain. Let's go. Next to the wall. Alright guys, well, successful trip to the dealership for the first time for the Trail Boss. Everything is nice and snug, oil level is good, didn't notice any new scratches or anything like that. And I also saw in my paperwork, we actually have a 2-year maintenance program on this thing, so I'm assuming that means for 2 years I get free oil changes. That's freaking sick if that's the truth. We'll definitely find out, but yeah, so everything went good. Hopefully y'all did enjoy the video. Little first trip to the dealership, checking out some trucks and things, and just, you know, coming along for a little vloggy vlog. Hopefully y'all enjoyed. I'll catch you on the next one.